Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to take sentence as input and display the longest word in the given sentence. So given a sentence as input to your Python program, so your task is to find the longest word in the given sentence and you have to display it or print it as the standard output. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a variable, that is sentence, and use the input function called to ask a user to enter a sentence. Yeah, so once the user enters a sentence, so it will be stored in this variable. So now we'll take two variables in order to store the longest word and also the length variable in order to compare the length between the longest word and the each and every word in the given sentence. So let's take variable, that is the longest underscore word, and let's initialize this to an empty string. So let's take another variable, that is length, and initialize it to a 0. So we'll use this length variable in order to compare the length of each and every word, and this variable will be using it to store the longest word. So once we are done by getting the variable, so let's take the for loop to iterate all the words present in the sentence. So for word, that is a temporary variable in, that is sentence dot split. So we are trying to split the given sentence by the space as the separator, and yeah, so this statement tries to get each and every word present in the sentence. And what we do is we'll use the if statement, that is if length of the word is greater than the length, that is programming length. So what we do is we are trying to get the word as the longest word. So let me take the variable. So longest word becomes the word and the length becomes the length of the word. Yeah, so we are trying to compare each and every word of the given sentence. So if the length of the given word at any time is greater than the length, that is 0, so what we do is we'll initialize the longest word as word and we take the length as the length of the word. So that means word has the bigger length. So yeah, so once the for loop completes, so these two variables will be storing the length of the longest word as well as the longest word present in the given sentence. So let's use the print function to print the longest word. So let's say longest word in sentence is, so let's give colon and let's try to print the longest word. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to take a sentence as input and display the longest word in the given sentence. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. Copying it. So I'm taking the headline as input to the Python program. So let's paste it. So you can see the longest word in the sentence is sentence. So this is the sentence, and here also you can see these two are the longest words, so it has picked the first sentence. So let me run it again. So here let me copy until this and let's try to paste it, that is write a Python program is my sentence. So you can see longest word in sentence is program, that is a this word. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to take a sentence as input and display the longest word in the given sentence. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.